Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue the chapter 8, that is QBasic and Introduction. And in this chapter we are going to learn some more topics. So let's start. So the first topic is constant. So what is constant? These are the values that do not change during the execution of a program. And these values are fixed. For example, your name, your date of birth, blood group, etc. These values never change. They are of two types. First is numeric constant and second is string constants. What are the numeric constants? So there are two types of numeric constants. First is real and the second one is integer. And string constants, a string constant consists of a sequence of character enclosed in double quote marks. Now next is variable. In QBasic, you can perform this task by using a variable. A variable is a place in the computer memory which has a name and stores data temporarily. Simply, you can say a variable is an entity that stores data needed to be used in a program. Each program defines different numbers of variable. So in QBasic there are two types of variables. First is numeric variable and the second one is string variable. So what is numeric variable? They are divided into the following types: integer, long integer, single precision and double precision. Here are some rules mentioned to write variables. First is variable name can have maximum of 40 characters. Then variable names can have alphabets, numbers and decimal points. Next is a variable name must begin with a letter. Fourth, a variable name cannot begin with FN or FN alphabets. For example, FN names. Next is variable names cannot be reserved words. And the last one is variable names may end with type declaration characters like dollar, percentage and exclamation and hashtag. Then operators. What are operators? Operators are symbols that indicate the type of operation QBasic has to perform on the data or on the values of variables. So there are four types of operators in QBasic. These are the arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators and string operators. Now the first type is arithmetic operators. These are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and exponential. The following table shows arithmetic operators used in QBasic. Here you can see. Next is relational operators. These are used to perform comparisons on two values of same type. A comparison of string data with numeric data cannot be done. The comparison of string data is done on the basis of ASCII value. The result of comparison is either true or false. Next is logical operators. These are used to combine two or more relational expressions which can then be evaluated to return a single value which will be either true or false, and they are and, or, not, etc.